Hello to the hockey family. It is Monday, August the 25th, and our preseason review season has officially begun. We had one meeting this morning, so that's why we're getting this video out a touch later today.
Yep. Good to get the preseason season, I guess, kicked off. And yeah, first meeting is always fun when it's a good friend, still involved in the game, who happens to spend some time in Charleston here in the off season. So that was good. And so as for these kind of Monday videos, they tend to be maybe a little bit more abbreviated when we're really busy with reviews. But excited for the reviews here.
Yeah. So thank you to a lot of you that we've already received a lot of really positive feedback, I guess, on our NIL webinar. That's been nice to hear. So if you haven't watched that and are interested in it, obviously right below the video here, there should be just a little black button there that you could click to watch. Last week, just another solid week again for global markets.
Yeah, and it kind of started with what really a lot of it's coming out of the Fed meeting, right, in Jackson Hole, where Chairman Powell, of course, who's been quite hesitant to reduce interest rates any further, basically came out, kind of open to the idea of cutting rates. So the market is now pricing an 89% chance that the Fed will cut rates in the September meeting. There's also the market's pricing in one additional cut in December. Okay, which seems reasonable. That's probably what they'll end up doing. And just maybe the one point on this is, one thing we see before we're working with families when we get like a statement. Many investors, I think, just in general, many of them don't have any exposure to like smaller company, like small caps is what you hear it referred to at times. And just an important point, because if the Fed cuts rates and rates start coming down, small companies can be very, 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 very sensitive to just giving like the debt financing in their profitability. So as rates come down, financing becomes easier for those companies. And so while, yes, of course, you want to own the big blue chips, the big names that are involved in AI and developing a lot of the technology, like, don't forget to also have a portion of your portfolio in small caps, even international small caps, right? Which we've the reviewer just looking at this morning. International small cap values up 35% in just this year, in 8 months. Okay, so again, just it's cliche, but you want to be diversified and remember to own some small caps as a part of your overall allocation. I get too nerdy. I've been getting too nerdy on these videos lately.
I like it. I like when your nerd comes out. Looking back again at last week, we also received some earnings reports from a number of retailers.
Yep, so a number of retailers came out, and many of them kind of telling the same story of a pretty resilient consumer. People are still spending, and consumption drives here in the States like 70% of the U.S. economy. So people are still spending, which is good.
Yeah, that's great. So again, we're going to keep it a little bit shorter this week. So that's it. Questions, comments, concerns, please reach out. Watch that webinar below.
Yeah, a little NIL.
Yeah.
Have a great week, guys.
See you guys.